up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and you have clicked into my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, I am bringing you guys a quick bonus unboxing of BoxyCharm. I'm sure this is the premium box because it just arrived. I didn't have a tracking number, but I do have one for my base box. So I won't have the weight on this one, guys. But if you want to see what I got in October's premium box, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? Happy Sunday. Y'all, we're doing a bonus video. I'm going to be kind of quick today, guys, because it's a bonus video. And I just got off from work. I got the premium box Friday, shooting this Friday night to go out Sunday for you guys. And we're going to keep it sweet and simple. No shout outs today, guys, but I do appreciate everyone that clicked in to watch me unbox this box. Hopefully we are in a good mood after this unboxing, because I did see the spoilers and I must say some of them were pretty good. So without further ado, let's get some specs on this box and unbox it, boo. This one, guys, is the $35 a month box. This is the premium box. You get 6 to 7 full-size products each month. It's usually been around 6, honestly. It has a value of like $215. If that's not correct, I will put it on the screen. You are allowed to choose one item per month. And if you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I have a link down below, guys. Also, I will try to, I think I put on Instagram the choice date. So make sure if you're not following me on Instagram, so go ahead and do that so you can see all of the BoxyCharm updates. So let's get it open, guys. I'm excited. I have not peeked, so let's get our box cutter and let's cut her open. Alrighty. When we open her up, it says BoxyCharm Premium in there. We do get a card every month. The theme of this month is the candy shop. I take you to the candy shop. Okay, I'm not playing with y'all today. I'm being serious. Okay, so guys, I have, variation number 5, which is very odd because I always get like 105, 605. So I got number 5. So let's see what we got. First up, I am pulling from Go-To, and these are exfoliating swipies. Okay, that's what it looks like right there, guys. And this is, it's 50 pads. It says foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. All right, I've never heard of this brand before. Let me read on here. So it says these single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrates the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly, I almost got that wrong, removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of lines, and deeply moisturizes. Okay, I'm not too mad about this, I guess. And this retails, guys, for $35. We're gonna open it up. So we got some exfoliating pads, which is always a good thing because I could always exfoliate. That's what the little jar looks like right there. And when we open it, it does have a little scent of maybe like orange, but it's no safety seal, and those are the little pads. So, okay, I'm not too upset about this, but let me know if y'all heard of this brand before. Go-To. Next up in the box, I don't like that it just from Laura Geller. This is 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. That's what it looks like. It's separating a little bit in there, but okay. And this is the shade Pink Pucker. Okay, so y'all can see that it is a nice pink shade. I will not open this, guys, because I know I won't use it. I wish they would have gave me something like a brown or more of a fall color. I guess this in the theme of Halloween or like candies, because it looks like, you know, a piece of licorice. But let's see what this retails for. And this one is the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Lip Color. That's a mouthful. And it retails for $21. I've been seeing a lot of Laura Geller and BoxyCharm lately, and I really don't know how I feel about that, especially since you can get it at TJ Maxx. So let me know what y'all think. The next product, guys, is from Cocos. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I'm sure I am. And this is my choice item. And this is the Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter. So I chose the cream because I don't own a cream highlighter or blush, and I just wanted to see how it would look on my skin. So yeah, I got the cream one, y'all. Let's see if it's a color that's gonna match me. That's what the outside packaging is looking like. And it says on the back here, a luminous peach duo for youthful vitality and fresh dewiness. Ooh, okay. High pigment intensity and double color payoff. So let's see. I did see that you can get this at Sephora. It doesn't have any little plastic. Girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. And this is what it looks like. My loves are right there. It is beautiful, nice, and peachy. I think this actually will go very well with my skin tone. So let's swatch it. And it feels like lip balm. That's what it feels like to me. That's them on my fingers. And let's put them right there. Okay, let's see if we could. All right, it's not very pigmented, but let's see if we could build it up a little bit. So that's how it looks on my skin. This is the blush and that's the highlighter. So, I mean, I guess when you build it up on your face, it'll be, you know, a little bit more high beam, but okay. What y'all think? I don't know. I don't think it's bad, but okay, I did choose it. Oh, I never told y'all what it retails for. I'm slipping and tripping. So this, guys, retails for $34. Okay, $34. Next up, I have this Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Lip Balm from Cocos Sport. I think that's the same brand, right? Yeah. This is Universal Clear. This is a baseline lip fuel, energizing, protective, and ultra healing. And it says on here, not for resale. Okay, let's open it. When we open it, it reminds me of like a highlighter, one of those little small highlighters. Oh, okay. When you pull it up though, you pull it like this, and that's the balm there. Now, let's see how you get it out. Oh, you just twist the bottom like that, and it comes out. Doesn't have a scent. I mean, it's just like a lip balm. It's okay. That's it right there, guys. So, all right. Okay. All right. We're going to wait. Let me wait. All right. This retails for $18. Okay. Next up, now I'm very excited about this product, and this is the Murad Hydration Hydrating Toner right there. I am excited about this, guys, and this is how much you get in here. 6 fluid ounces of product, and yeah, I'm happy to get a toner, and I love Murad's products. So this is an ultra hydrating, alcohol-free toner that instantly balances skin's pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture with chamomile and cucumber extracts that's going to help to soothe the skin, and this retails for $35. If y'all hear the wind outside, y'all, Hurricane Beta or whatever is passing through, and Beta wind is like blowing. Okay, but I am excited for this. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells like a light scent of cucumber, and we're gonna see what that mister do. Oh, okay. All right, good. So, okay, I'm happy about this. I love a toner and then a spray toner. Okay, I like this. And I told you guys this retails for $35. And last but not least, which I think every premium box is gonna get, is a palette. This is from Illuminati. I don't know about that name, y'all, but this is the Illuminati and Isabel Bedoya. I'm not sure. So apparently she designed this palette. Let me get my box cutter so I could cut her open. I do like the packaging on the outside though. I really do. It's pretty. Oh, it's kind of like raised. The letters are raised, but this is what it looks like right here, my loves. And when we open her up, it does have a little plastic. And girl, we got another mirror. Hey, boo. It looks like one of my shades are a little bit damaged, but this one is a little bit damaged. But this is the palette right here, my loves. It is gorgeous. You have some pressed glitters, shimmers, matte shades. I like this color story a lot. So we're gonna swatch a couple and see. We're gonna do 1996. We're gonna do Baby Girl. We're gonna do June 1st, Purple Dream, and let's do Izzy. So that's what they look like on my fingertips. And those are some of the colors swatched out right there. I mean, they are very pretty. They're not super, super pigmented, but I'm sure we could build them up. So those are cute, and I'm happy to get this palette. I think I could get some good uses out of this. What y'all think? And this retails for, oh wow, $48. Now, I don't know if I would pay $48, but I mean, it's a cute palette. I do like it. All right, loves, that was my final product in this month's BoxyCharm Premium. Let me quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Murad this hydration toner here, from Cocos, the blush and highlighter in the cream form. Go to these exfoliating swipies from Cocos Sport, and this is a lip balm. Laura Geller, the 50 Kisses lipstick here, and from Illuminati, this palette right here. So that is 6 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box. I will put the total of the box somewhere up in here. For the premium box, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. You know, I'm always honest. I just don't feel that a lot of my products were considered to be premium products, especially these 3 products here. I don't want this in my premium box, a baseline lip balm. I don't want that. I wish they'd have gave me like the Fenty brow pencil or something. I don't want that. This right here, I'm not really happy about. I don't want to see Laura Geller in a premium box. BoxyCharm, I don't want to see Laura Geller in premium. And this, I'm not really familiar with the brand. I mean, it is, what, $34 or something, but I just don't consider this to be premium either. I am very happy about these 2 products. This one I'm kind of on the fence with. I mean, it's just okay. So, I mean, I hate to be like, I don't know. I just wish that for it being a premium box, I actually got most premium products. I just feel 2 out of 6 is just like, okay. So, yeah, those are my thoughts on this box. I don't know, y'all. I just think it's just an okay box. Like, I'm really kind of disappointed, especially in these. I don't want... Like, I don't want a lip balm and a lip gloss, like lipstick or whatever this is. At least give me like the Fenty product, or I don't know. I just don't think this is premium. I don't. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn ocean. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give BoxyCharm Premium for the month of October, which I wish was more Halloween themed, a whopping 3, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know what to give this box, but I am really excited about these 2 products. $48 is a bit much for this, but I am excited. So yes, guys, that's all that I have. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you thought of my box. Let me know what you got in your box. If you have not subscribed to your girl, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go on and hit that button and become a part of my family. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I do upload a lot there, as well as my community tab here on YouTube. And that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Sunday bonus video. I hope you guys have a marvelous Sunday. Stay in bed, watch your girl over and over and over, you know, do all that good stuff. And I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video, which is going to be a Naked Beauty box subscription. I'm excited for you guys to see that tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. So guys, I love you all dearly, and I will see you all in the morning. Bye.